Hello learners, welcome back to the third module of Office Management and Administrative Skills. In this module, we are going to learn the concepts why managing website content is important, manage social media accounts and need to run marketing campaigns. So let's first understand why managing website content is important. Today, website needs to be regularly updated with fresh content in order to maximize visitors' engagement. Keeping website running and live is the first step to create an online presence for the brand and business. Organizations are continuously struggling to create their online presence. So now let's understand what is content. The subject or a topic covered in a book or a document or something is to be expressed through some medium such as speech, writing is known as a content. Content is information made through editorial process and ultimately intended for human consumption via publication. Content is created and managed, then it is published and delivered. In today's 21st century, due to development in internet and mobile technology, businesses are heavily using marketing tactics or maintaining their online presence. Use of social media marketing is a powerful way for businesses to reach out maximum clients and customers. For reaching to masses, interacting with brands through social media is the best tool. Businesses can speak with audience through social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit and lot many tools are there in the market. And thus social media online video, search engine optimization, paid media and email marketing, WhatsApp marketing has created a huge need for good quality content. It is said that average person views hundreds of advertisements each day and number is increasing day by day. You cannot imagine what a big number is there who are using social media for watching advertisement, for watching videos and for watching posts. Usually what our minds decides to pay attention, it depends on content uniqueness, content quality, subject knowledge related to that content and good graphical representation. The pictures, the infographics play a big role when there is a content management. It is important for organization to understand their target persona, that is target people, and serve up desired content accordingly. We, the consumers, are more likely to see content through our mobile or computers. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram are there on our mobile and we are continuously watching the videos, the advertisement, the pictures, the posts on those mobile phones and computer. The content management is the method for gathering, delivery, retrieval, control and overall management of information in any format. So today's world is basically depending on the content management by which we are visualizing advertisement, posts and many more things. The content involved may be images, videos, audio, multimedia as well as text. We can say it is a process of organizing, combining these pieces of content, that is text, graphic or multimedia clips, and tagging schemes which are nothing but XML, HTML, etc. in the most efficient way. Once the content is finalized, it is stored in a repository. This repository is nothing but a dedicated space known as a content management system. Then the organized content can be used again and again for a various purpose. Social media and marketing can hence create extraordinary success to companies' growth and profit. Now let's understand the process of managing content. It has 4 stages: create, approve, distribute and archive. Content management practices and processes can vary with domain of business organization and its purpose. The stages of content management life cycle are: the first stage is create. In this stage, the content is created, that is, content is formed, edited, captured and it has given a meaningful context. The second is approve. In the approve stage, Once the content is created, then it is being properly stored with the proper approval from expert. The third stage is distribute. It is also said as a deploying stage, where publishing channel assembles and distribute content to users. Content is personalized according to user requirements. The fourth stage is archive. This stage takes care of preserving the approved content, the finalized content. The unwanted and old data is removed or updated and modified accordingly. The idea behind preserving is to protect from being lost or subject to change. Types of digital content management now we are going to see. For just about every category of digital content, there is a corresponding tool or processes for managing it. Social media content management is the first one. Social media content management tool helps to create and organize social media marketing strategy. Google Analytics is very commonly known to all of us. The Google Analytics is very popular social media content management system. The second is web content management. Web content management is used to create, manage and display web pages, which we all experience in our day-to-day life. The web content management system is a program which guides business organization to bring out digital information on a website. It is abbreviated as a WCMS, Web Content Management System. Types of digital content management. Now we are going to see this. There are 4 types of digital content management. For every category of digital content, there is a corresponding tool or processes for managing it. The first one is social media content management. Social media content management tool helps to create and organize social media marketing strategy. Google Analytics is very much popular in the society. The Google Analytics is one of the social media content management system where the website is systematically monitored with the help of Google Analytics, and the content of that website can be monitored by the help of Google Analytics. Web content management is used to create, manage and display web pages is the second one. The web content management system is a program which guides business organization to bring out digital information on a website. It is abbreviated as a WCMS. The third one is mobile content management. Mobile content management is abbreviated as a MCM. It provides secure access to corporate data on a smartphone, tablet, similar devices. File storage and file sharing are considered as a main component of mobile content management. The last, that is the fourth one, is enterprise content management. And enterprise content management is known as a ECM. ECM system has components that help enterprise to manage data efficiently. Now let's understand the content management systems and tools. The content management system is nothing but CMS, which is responsible for automated processes for collaborative digital content management and creation. Features of CMS, that is content management systems, are format management, publishing best functionality and the ability to update the content. A few examples of CMS are the popular and very successfully used everywhere, the WordPress. The second one is Joomla and the third is Drupal. These are the best examples of content management system. With the help of WordPress, you can create your own website which is free and you can publish the data on that website. The CMS should have following features. The first is error-free adding and editing of pages and content, publishing controls and workflow management. The third one is best built-in SEO tools, social media integration and collaboration. The next one is multi-platform capabilities, secured operations. These are the following features we can experience if the content management system is good. Now let's know what is social media account. Social media is a reality and part and parcel of online existence even for organization now. Understanding which is the best social media site for business and for individual is important. If you want to use a social media site for doing business or for marketing or for or advertising for your business, it is important to know the features related to social media tools. Content management should have following features: error-free adding and editing of pages and content, publishing controls and workflow management, best built-in SEO tools, social media integration and collaboration, multi-platform capabilities, and secured operation. So now let's know social media accounts, which is next topic. Social media is a reality and part and parcel of online existence of even for an organization now. Understanding which is the best in social media site for businesses or individual is important. If you want to start your business, if you want to create online presence, you can take help of social media, which will help to improve your business, which will help to reach maximum clients and customers. It is used for posting pictures to watching videos, for writing and sharing posts on a multiple social media platforms. People from all age groups have flocked to the internet in the large number and continue doing so. Mr. Neil Patel, a New York Times best-selling author, says that for understanding social media, one should try to find answer for following questions: where is my audience, which is my audience, whether he is active or not, where we are going to search a particular content, and what niche social media sites are right for me, where they are searching, when the audience are searching for a particular content. So when, if you want to look for, if you are going to look for these answers for a particular question, you will be successful in selecting social media account and platform. Popular social media sites are in India are WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. The benefits of social media are: businesses can use social media in collaborative learning. So, for collaborative learning, social media can be used. Social media is a free to use, hence better return on investment, which is a ROI. Lower ad cost compared to traditional advertising methods such as print media, TV and radio advertising. Social advertisements are not only dependable but also cheaper. It helps to establish increased brand awareness and better brand exposure. It can reaches to masses and is shareable. Branding can be possible through video and also eye-catching visuals with the content which can attract the masses and thus create branding. Better listening is possible in social media. The next is two-way interaction is possible with the help of social media. The next is support search ranking is possible. So when we are looking in Google for particular content, it reflects the particular content by its ranking. So it supports search ranking. It describes an easy to find real-time performance analysis. Understanding ad trends as it is integral, thus improve performance. In case of offline advertising, you are unable to analyze the performance of your ads and campaigns. So it is always easy if you are using social media, then you can surely understand the performance analysis for your content. Companies are investing in designing social media strategies. It is becoming a lifeline for all business and organization, whether it is a startup company or whether it is an established company, whether it is a local company or whether it is a national company. All companies are now finalizing their social media strategies and they are investing more and more in social media. Career in social media marketing are booming. According to LinkedIn, there has been a tremendous increase in social media positions since 2010. So, students, you please pay attention on learning and understanding the social media trends, which is very beneficial to you, which shows a rapid growth over the past decades, and now for your generation also these social media will create a big boom and will create jobs for you. There are social media related positions in the market such as social media strategist, social media consultants, social media managers, community managers. So please focus on understanding and exploring much about social media. During COVID period, COVID-19 pandemic showed that businesses required social media workers for visual and social communication with their clients. This is all about social media accounts. Thank you.